Hello everyone, we are going to check out the exercise of chapter number 8 Adaptations How Plants Survive. Section number A Class Response. A number Oral Questions. First, why do you think only mangrove plants can grow in marshy areas? Answer of first number, only mangrove plants can grow in marshy areas because only they have breathing roots. Second number, how does lotus remain afloat? Answer of second number, lotus has hollow and light stem that keep the leaves and the flower afloat. Third number, why do some plants have thorns on their bodies? Answer of third number, some plants have thorns on their bodies to protect them from animals. B number science quiz. First, name a desert plant. Answer is cactus. Second number, where can pine and fir tree grow well? Answer is in mountain regions. Third number, name a plant in which stem prepares and stores food. Answer is cactus. Now worksheet MCQs. A number MCQs. First, babul and kikar are blank plants. Answer is C, desert. Answer is C, desert. Second number, among the following, the underwater plant is. Answer is A, tabgrass. Answer is A, tabgrass. B number, circle the odd ones. Give one reason for your choice. First number, pine, pistia, lotus. Answer is pine. Second number, sundew, water hyacinth, pitcher plant. We have to circle on water hyacinth. Third number, teak, wolffia, rubber tree. We have to circle on wolffia. Now let's check out why we have do the circle, or we can say let's understand the reason of it. The first answer is pine. Why? Because other are aquatic plants, whereas it is found in mountain region. Second number, we have to circle on water hyacinth. Why? Because others are insectivorous plants, whereas it is an aquatic plant. And third number, wolffia, we have to circle on wolffia. Why? Because others grow in hot and humid region, whereas it is an aquatic plant. Third number, filling the blanks with the help of given words. First, date palms grow in the blank areas. Answer is dry. DRY, dry. Second number, blank is a desert plant. Answer is cactus. CACTUS, cactus. Third number, waterlogged places are called blank. Answer is marshy. Answer is marshes. Fourth number, water lily is a or an blank plant. Answer is aquatic. Answer is aquatic. Fifth number, wolffia is a blank plant. Answer is floating. Answer is floating. Now D number, identify the following plants and write their names in the space provided. First number, it's a picture of water hyacinth. Second number, it's a picture of water lily. And third picture is of pepper. Now B number, section number B, MCQs. A number MCQs. First, underwater plants have blank leaves. Answer is A, ribbon like. Second number, pine trees are. Answer is B, flowerless. Now B number very short answer questions. First, name a carnivorous plant. Answer is peach plant. Answer is peach plant. Second number, name a saprophytic plant. Answer, coral root. Answer is coral root. Third number, name any two plants which grow in hot and humid regions. Answer is teak, rubber. Fourth number, name two plants that grow in water. Answer is water hyacinth, lotus. Now C number short answer questions. First, what is a desert? First answer, hot and dry places are called deserts. Hot and dry places are called deserts. Second number, what happens when we touch a poison ivy plant? Answer, we touch poison ivy plant. When we touch poison ivy plant, our skin starts itching. Third number, the roots of mangrove plants grow out of the soil to breathe and thus adjust to the marshy region they grow in. A number, which type of soil is found in marshy places? A number, marshy places have sticky and clayey soil. B number, what value do we learn from plants that adapt to their environment? Answer is B. B number's answer, we learn to adapt ourselves in all type of conditions. Fourth number, why do we not find a mango plant on mountains? Fourth number answer, because it is adapted to grow only in plain regions where it is neither too cold nor too hot. Fifth number, give two adaptations in plants that grow in water. Fifth number answer, first, the water plants have light and spongy bodies. Second number, the leaves have waxy coating that prevent them from rotting. D number, long answer questions. First, how does a desert plant adapt itself in desert condition? First number answer, a desert plant adapts itself in desert in the following ways. Dear students, only two, first and third point we have to write down. Leaves are changed into spines which prevents water loss. And third number, roots spread out deep under the ground in search of water. Second number, discuss the features of plants that grow in plains. Dear students, second number answer, we have to write down only 2 points, first and third. First number, they have many branches that spread around. And third number, most of the trees can survive in a very hot climate. Till climate only we have to write down, okay? So again I am repeating the answer. First number, they have many branches that spread around. And third number, most of the trees can survive in very hot climate. Till climate only we have to write down. Third number, what difference do you find in terrestrial and aquatic plants? Answer of third number, we have to make this kind of table. Terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. First number, they grow on land. Terrestrial plants, they grow on land. In aquatic plants we have to write down first number, they grow in water. Second number, in terrestrial plant we have to write down, they need very less water to grow. In the second number, in aquatic plants we have to write down they need lots of water to grow. Third number we have to cancel. Fourth number, they have stomata. Fourth number here, some plants do not have stomata. Fifth number, they have well developed roots. And here in the fifth number we have to write down they have the roots are not well developed. E number, think and answer. First, coral roots. Coral root is a non-green plant, so it cannot prepare its own food. It is also not an insectivorous plant. Then how it is able to get food to survive? Answer of first, coral root is a saprophytic plant. It absorbs its food from remains of dead plants and animals. Second number, Pinky's father is getting a big aquarium for their home. He wants some real plants to be grown inside the aquarium so that the fishes get oxygen to breathe naturally. Which one of these should be kept inside the aquarium? Water hyacinth, duckweed, tapgrass? Give reason. Second number answer, the tapgrass should be kept inside the aquarium. Tapgrass is a underwater plant which grow in and remain under the water. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise of chapter number 8. Please write it down one time in your notebook, question and answer both. Thank you.